In this video I will show you how this weird video made over $15,000 and how you can do the same with even bigger numbers. So start today making money on YouTube without even make your videos, without experience, without subscribers, and you can do it anywhere in the world. In this video I will show you how you can make more than $100 a day on YouTube without recording any video yourself, but just by following this strategy. And make sure to watch the video until the end, because you need to know all the pieces that come into place. Because if you do a mistake, you will end up that YouTube shut down your videos. But following this blueprint, you will sure 100% that YouTube likes and promote your videos. For this strategy, we use videos that are tagged as Creative Commons. And what is? It's a sample tag that is given to some videos where you can reshare them on YouTube. You can download the video and re-upload as your own. And you can find this feature on YouTube just by going inside here. So let's say for example that you want to create videos about baseball. Just go on YouTube and search for top 10 baseball plays. And as you can see here, we have one video that it has 2.6 million views, another one that it has 16 millions. These are really amazing numbers. And you simply go on filter, and then as you can see here, there is the voice Creative Commons. This means that every video that you find inside here, you can download and re-upload on your channel with different titles and different thumbnails. Now your job is to find inside the topic that you chose, find a video that went viral, that has millions and millions of views. As you can see here, there is not a ton of big videos in Creative Commons, so we search something else. For example, top 10 fastest cars. And we now look for fast cars. We always need to add the filter about Creative Commons, so because you don't want to go in trouble when posting a video with copyrights, or maybe that your video will be demonetized. So after done this, just scroll and find videos that have a ton of views. And then by going down, you can see this one, 0 to 300 brutal top acceleration. This is one video that it probably went viral. It has more than 3 million views, and also it is Creative Commons. So you can simply find a YouTube video downloader online, download this video, and then you create your own and better thumbnail, and then you create a better description and a better tag for this video. So when people will look and search for this type of content, your video will come up, and if you have everything better than the original video, your video will become first on the search engine. And I cannot ensure to you that the next video that you do in the right way, it will go viral, you will make millions of views and thousands of dollars, but it is a numbers game. For example, let's say that you need to upload maybe 100 videos, and maybe on 100 there is 1 or 2 or 3 that can go viral. But if you do it everything in order and a really good job, you will see that you will find a lot more than what you expect, because these are underrated niches where you can come up from nothing, come up on the search result, because there is little few competition, and then you simply create your channel around this, and you don't need to create any videos. And then there is two main ways on how you can earn money. The first one is YouTube ad revenue. That YouTube, it pays on average $3 every 1,000 views. Let's say for example that you have 3.7 million views and you have an average CPM of 3, you can simply make with just this video more than $10,000. And this is incredible by maybe working for 2 hours to creating, downloading, editing, adding all the stuff for this video. And as you do it with cars, you can do it with a ton of other industries. For example, let's say that you want scariest moments. Just say something like this. You can come up with your own idea, and here you can see 13 million 30 million. This is a really hot topic. And then, as always, you go and look for Creative Commons so you can reshare them on your profile. And then you will see that you will find other people that created other video like this, similar. But you will find that there is a ton of videos that get a lot of views just by following this strategy. And by here you can scroll down until you find some content that has really a ton of views, and then you download, you remake, re-edit and recreate it better, and then repost it on YouTube on your own channel. And I think that the best niches are pretty much sports. You can find any type of sport and look for top 10, best place, maybe best goals in soccer and some other stuff. Our conspiracy theory, there is a ton of videos about this. You can also download your Creative Commons videos and remake your own. Then you can also create stuff around cars, around games, whatever you want. Just make sure that there is enough research and there is enough demand about your topic of the video, and you will ensure your views for a long time. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you start today implementing this strategy and start getting views and making money. Comment below what is the best way to make money online for you. Click that red button to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video and I see you in the next one.